Question number 2. So in this question, a particle is starting from origin, going to a point plus 20 meter in the positive x direction, and then it goes to minus 20 meters, which is the point B, in negative x directions. So we need to find the distance and displacement of the particle during this trip. We know that distance is a scalar quantity. We just have to add the terms. Whereas displacement is a vector quantity and direction is important. So when it comes to distance, we can write the distance as 20 positive, then 20 negative, O to A to O, and O to B. 20 plus 20 plus 20. Total 60 meters is the distance travelled. Now we want to find out the displacement. So we see that displacement is a vector quantity, which means that the initial and final positions are important. So the final displacement is the distance O and B. So it is 20 meters in the negative x direction, because B is to the left in the negative x direction of O. So the displacement is minus 20 meters, because the right side is positive x and left side is negative x in this frame of reference.